Look how far this has to come back before I have to panic. Does everybody see this? So I started with 50. And we shed, and we shed, and we shed, and we shed. And now I have 5. This is a 100% free trade. And look how far it has to come back before I would even have to start sweating it. So my 400 right now can turn into about $2,000, or I'm risking 400 bucks if I allowed it to go all the way back up. Does that make sense, everybody? Completely free. Let it go. Crash and burn. Bye-bye. Hasta la vista. This is what I want to show you. If I would have taken all of my money out right here, I would have been done. Or here. Or here. Or here. Or hell, maybe even here. Maybe we got more to go, right? So by me taking bits off, I still have the opportunity to make an unlimited amount of money. Does that make sense, everybody? Instead of me just cutting myself off at the knees right here. Does that make sense? I lightened the load as it went. I collected and guaranteed I locked in that money. It's still moving the way that I want. This is just the breathe back. And we're still making money, right? So right here, still, all this was a breathe back. Let me flip my screen. This is why I tell you guys, though, I don't want anybody panicking. If you're in so good, you don't have to worry. See this right here? 5 contracts, stress-free trading, still in the trade, still has plenty of room to go. I only have 5 remaining. I can let this work to give me more money. Now, at one point, it was up 600. Okay. Oh, coach, but you're giving up 200. I'm not. I'm allowing this to run more, right? I am allowing this trade to work. This is what you want them to do. You want to be in at such a good level and be in with the perfect position size like I am here to not give a crap about micro movements. This is where I need all of you to get. This is when you become a professional trader. Everybody else that's doing their stuff and they just get all the way out. Well, that's great if you're just going to quick scalp. But guess what? If you get into a good scalp, which we did off the 182 break, and we do what we're supposed to do, which is shedding or stops or right, all the different ways that I teach this, you're in so good now, right? This is a, what, $3 move. And now look, I'm back to 600 again on this trade. Everybody see it? So if I was panicked and I went, oh, I got to get all the way out. Why? Look at it now. Now I'm making more than if I panicked and got out at 400 that you guys all saw, right? You see the difference? Leave them alone. Let this work. Let it make your money. You've already done the hard stuff. You had to click buy. You had to get green. When it's green, leave it alone. Let it go. I cannot stress that enough to all of you. I don't usually get to sit in these forever. Now look, this is what I'm talking about. Right? Do you see the trade? It pulled back to 400. I could have collected the 400 on the micro pullback. Why? Now it's 765. Now it's 800. Now it's 825. All I did was left it alone. Right? Why would I be playing with this trade? Stop goofing around with your trades. You guys see the difference? This was 600 right here. See it? Now, we don't know that's where bottom is, and it bounced up to here. This was 400. This is where everybody would typically get the hell out, right? Well, guess what? Now I'm at 800. Now it's got to come all the way back, way the hell up here again to be where I would have first cut myself off from making more money. Does that make sense? So leave it alone. Let it work. Make your money. You're green. You've done everything you needed to do. You shed. You got in at the right time. Everything is beautiful, man. It's a nice trade. You guys should all, every single one of you should still be in this Tesla put setup. No exception to that rule. Look how far this has now. Tesla has to come up to here for me to break even. And I've already locked in all my profit on the trade. Make sense? Now I'm watching the overall market. If this comes back up to here, maybe I'll take a couple. Just because I don't want it to not outright. I don't want it to be like, well, there's bottom. So right here, I've got 5 contracts. I'm going to take 3 off the table at $640. Closing out 3 at $640. Let me get all this drawing off. Right here. And all I'm doing again is I'm lightening the load and lightening the load, right? Now I have 2 contracts left. And now here's what's awesome about this trade. Let me mark these levels. Now, because I have such a little amount in this trade, right here, right? I only have 2 left of the 5. There's your 2. Now it's going to move in such a small number. You see how it's moving now? $4 at a time. Look at it. You telling me you couldn't watch this at $4 increments until 4 p.m.? I bet you could. Anybody want to bet me? I've taken all the stress out. I don't have to manage it. I'm still golden. I'm still in the trade. And now we're about to make more money on this trade. See it? Constant and forever. Set it, forget it, leave it alone. Now look at Tesla's about to make new low a day. And do you see how I drew out my support and resistance up here? I know I'm doing a lot of, there goes Tesla, new low a day. Well, we do this every day, right, everybody? This is every day. There's nothing that's changed. This is every single day. See it here? We drew out our levels. Now what we're going to do is we're going to zoom out and we're going to go, okay, where are you going to? What do you want to do? Right? What are you up to, Tesla? Let's take a peek. There's our next major levels. There you go. There's every level on Tesla. Now notice I drew this out and then I came back and what do you know? There's the bounce. See it? But again, I'm in so small at this point. It's up 31%. Who cares?